1978 Chevrolet El Camino here at Unique Specialty and Classics. I would say this falls into the category of running, driving project. Gonna need some TLC, but some things have been done on it too that kind of have a head start for you. So first of all, underneath the hood, 350 V8 power. Engine work is complete. We're gonna start it up, let you hear it run. Does have newer exhaust and shocks also. Car is originally from California, then went to Nebraska before coming to us. Let's go ahead and take a look at the chrome up front. Now you can see paint on it. It is a little chalky. That would need some TLC, but you got a starting point. Let's put it that way. Now, take your time looking through the still pictures. Look at the underside. Some work's been done underneath there also. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us, 507-386-1726. Now, some of the things that are going to need attention. Starter, transmission, not all gears are functioning. Speedo in op. There is some seepage, oil pan and valve covers. So, as far as internals and everything on the engine, like I said, we're going to start it up, let you hear it run, but there is a little bit of seepage, tech noted. But the major thing is that starter and trans. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. See dual exhaust coming out the rear. Appears that we have a solid bed here. And again, it is priced accordingly, obviously. If you're looking at this on our website, you can see. But you can finish it how you want as far as exterior color goes. Do what you want with the interior. And Jason will take it for a drive, show you that it does drive out. It's just like I said, you don't have your top gears, but it will go forward, we'll go in reverse. Let's go ahead and take a peek at the interior. That's going to need some TLC also, as in door panels, seats. They have a little bit different bucket seat in here, whether you want to use that or not. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Let's hear it run. We'll take a peek underneath the hood. And you can see it has sat outside in a warmer climate by that dash. But as you can see, you can hear, I should say, engine sounds good. All right, let's slip up to the front so we can take a peek underneath this hood, how that looks. So let me pause this a second. I'll get this hood open. We'll go from there. Underside of the hood and engine bay. So headers, power steering, power brakes, 4-barrel. Looks like an Edelbrock on there. Performer RPM, intake manifold. '78 Chevrolet El Camino. Original California car, running, driving project. 507-386-1726, UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we're going to assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1978 Chevrolet El Camino. This would be a project car, which means it can use a little TLC. This particular car, only first gear is working, so I'm taking you around the parking lot, just showing you that it does run. Our fuel gauge is reading a little over a quarter of a tank. I'm not seeing movement from the temperature gauge, the oil pressure gauge, or the speedometer. wipers work on this car. Both power windows are functioning. We have bucket seats from a different later model car. Nice side bolsters on those seats. This is of course an automatic on the column. Pretty solid car, nice V8 engine in there. Just do the cosmetics yourself, make it what you want. Grant steering wheel. Left turn signal indicator works, right turn signal indicator works. There is an open hole where the radio would be. Add your own. Choose whatever you want for your stereo head unit. Solid looking car. Find out all you want to know about this car and check out all the pictures of it at uniqueclassiccars.com.